everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the grammar which is been or language which has been accepted by APDA, that is called W reverse. We can see how it will be assimilating or how the Turing machine will deal with the this language and how the Turing machine will work for this language. We can see in this video. Then we can do for the WW. For that I am discussing that how the working of W reverse in the Turing machine. Then you can easily map how the Turing machine will work for WW. That WW can be accepted by APDA, but this can be accepted by APDA. We have already discussed in our previous video how the W reverse is been working for the PDA, how the PDA is accepting that. Okay, so we can look for this in the Turing machine. Look at here, I am making the AB hash AB and I am making here it as blank and I am making it as blank. Okay, so till now when we see a raised to n, b raised to n and a raised to n, b raised to n, c raised to n, it is a deterministic Turing machine. Now we are moving for the non-deterministic Turing machine because both A's and B's combination is coming. So we can look how the non-deterministic Turing machine will work. Look at here, when A comes, so when A comes I have to get what? A here, sorry, this is the grammar is not correct. Sorry, this is BA, I have made the mistake. So AB, BA. So look at here, when A comes I have to get what? After the blank I must get what? A. When B comes I must get what? Corresponding B. That is, this and this is matched and this is matched in the what? Reverse. That is last symbol, first symbol to the last symbol, first second symbol to the last second symbol. Likewise in W reverse you have already know it is a palindrome symbol. Okay, so in A comes, if A comes, okay, I make it as what? X. If A comes I make it as X and I move what? Forward. I make it as X and I move forward. And in between when B comes or A comes, no problem because we have to match this A and this A first, then only we can take the next symbol. So I bypass all other condition, that is if B comes I make it as B and move forward. Okay, when A comes I make it as A and move forward. Okay, these two combination we are now considering. Okay, now when hash comes, hash must be every time when I discuss PDA also, hash existence must be checked. It is a bypassing condition, no significance for that, but its existence must be checked. So hash comes, I make it as hash and move what? Forward. Okay, next when B comes or A comes, no problem, I have to reach blank here. So B comes I make it as B and move forward, A comes I make it as A and move forward. When blank comes I make it as blank and move backward. Now the scenario comes or the condition comes, after blank I make get what? A. When we start here with A, after blank I must get what? A. Okay, so A comes, okay, A comes, I make it as X itself. Okay, don't make it as Y or Z because X and X, these two must be same. So A comes, I make it as X and move what? Backward. Okay, if you make it as Y, no problem, but to logic becomes correct, this to be correctly matched, that is X and X. So likewise your tape will be, after all your symbols are being finished, your tape will be containing only X and hash. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to bypass all other condition, isn't it? So in between I have make it, sorry, I have make it as X. Okay, in between there will be what? Blank will be there. Blank comes what? I make it, sorry, blank not, B comes, I make it as B and move backward. When A comes I make it as A and move backward. Hash comes, I make it as hash and move backward. Okay, in backward also A comes or B comes, we have already written. Next we have to what do? We have to search for this X. After X, next symbol is to be checked. Okay, so when X comes, I make it as X and move what? Forward. It'll move forward. Look at here, it is B. So we can't use this loop. So we are using the another path. When B comes, I again make it as X and what? Move forward. You can use Y, but I am using for the entire what? X itself. Okay, the same conditions here. Okay, I make it as this B is make it as what? X. Okay, next what all B bypass? If again there are A's and B's, A comes, A make it as A and move forward. B comes, I make it as B and what? Move forward. Okay, and then when we see hash, I make it as what? Hash and move what? Forward. Okay, in the forward also we will see what? Okay, A's will be seen, B's will be seen. Okay, move forward, and A comes, I make it as A and move forward. And also X also will be there. X comes, I make it as X and move what? Forward. Okay, next we will reach what? Our correct symbol, that is blank comes. Look, the same logic here also. Blank comes, I make it as blank and move backward. And when we go backward, there will be already been, if it is already one time the loop executed, there will be at least one X. After that X, the symbol must be matched. So that X must be what? Bypassed. So X comes, I make it move what? Backward. Okay, so here B is starting, so here the symbol must be what? B. Okay, so B comes, I make it as X and move what? Backward. And when I move backward, in the same case also, here also what? Hash comes, I make it as hash and move backward. And also there will be B is there. B comes, I make it as B and move backward. A comes, I make it as A and what? Move backward. And when I reach X, okay, when I reach X, I make it as X and what? Move forward. Okay, that is the condition, move forward. Okay, so we have reached up to A's will be there, B's in between, hash and this only B's will be there, no X in between there. And after X hash, there will be A's and B's combination will be there. And after blank, we are making it as X. So blank, I make it as X. Here will be what? After blank, there will be some X coming. So I make it as what? X and move what? Backward. Okay, when blank seen, I move backward, and in backward you can see X will be combination there. Since we have executed it for the first time, we don't see X. After that it will be seeing what? X. So every time you stick on to the logic, when you use the A, the same conditions will be for the B, but the difference is here for here, and also here will be the difference. All others will be the same for A and B. Also we have missed here, X comes, I make it as X and move forward. Okay, so look, cross check it whether these two are equal. So likewise our expression has been matched. We have made it as what? X. So after the conditions you have reached up to here, you will reach here. After hash, then X comes, isn't it? So we have made it as B, and after blank we make it as X, and we check for what? Hash. So wherever the expression, for example, if we have used three symbols A, B, B, hash, B, B, A. Okay, so after execution, what will be the X, 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 hash, X, X, X. Okay, so the condition after making this, it bypass hash, and after hash first X will be it taking, isn't it? It bypass hash, and after hash first X will be taking by this. Okay, so first X will be taking, so every time the pointer will be the before the X before the hash pointer. Every time the pointer will be the before the hash pointer, before the hash pointer, first x will be there. So next x, all if it is correctly matched, after that it will be having only x's, isn't it? Once again I say, if the expression is correctly matched, after hash, before hash, there will be, the pointer will be sitting here or residing here. Before hash we are checking for hash, and after that we are looking for the what, x, isn't it? So before hash, first x will be where there will be what pointer residing. So if it is correctly matched, after hash there will be only x's. Okay, likewise in the previous condition. So I am drawing to here. So if there comes x, okay, if x comes, I make it as x and move forward. Okay, every time when x, since I make it as x and move forward, if I see blank, I make it as blank and move backward, and I will what, accept it. Same logic, but here only x's, so x is repeated here. Okay, you can, if you are making this as x and this as y, you can repeat for what, y itself. Okay, so that is the only difference. Hash, if you want, you can make this hash as another state. For example, you can rub it from here and you can make here hash comes, hash will be seen, you move what, backward, and for next state you can make it for what, x also, that's also correct. But here our hash existence has been checked, only one hash will be taking care of. Also I said in PDA, only one time you check, after that you can what, bypass is, don't check again and again. So it can be said in a bypassing condition, or you can make it as in the different also, all in the single, because here a hash only one time it will move, all in other times we are not checking for the hash, so hash will not come in between this. Okay, so if you want, you can draw this like this also, it's also correct. Okay, there will be double checking only, but the logic which I drawn previously was also correct. Okay, this is the Turing machine for W hash W reverse. You must understand this thoroughly, then only you can understand WW and W reverse, which I am dealing with in the next video. Okay, thank you.